Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to limit old Facebook posts to only me on phone. All right, let's begin. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon in the bottom corner and scroll down. Now find Settings and Privacy and tap to expand it. After that, tap on Settings. Scroll down until you see the Your Activity section and select Activity Log. From here, tap on Public Posts to manage who can see your old content. You will now see your posts, photos, and videos. Uncheck Public so that all your posts are shown. Next, tap on Select All to choose all your posts at once. Once everything is selected, tap on the three dots at the bottom. Choose Change Audience, then tap Change Audience again. Now select Only Me. Finally, tap on Change to confirm. So that's basically how you can limit old Facebook posts to only me on phone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.